Welcome to the slop farm. Enjoy the video.
You're starting the setup now. Open your account's security settings and choose two-factor authentication, then select Authenticator app as the method. Once done, install and open the Authenticator on your phone. You'll see an option to scan a QR code or enter a manual key. Keep the web page with the QR visible. Make sure you also note any provided recovery or backup codes. They'll save you if you lose the device. You'll now connect the app to your account. Point your phone's camera at the on-screen QR code and allow the app to scan. If scanning fails, choose manual entry and carefully type the secret key exactly as shown. Once the account appears in the app, it will start generating 30-second codes. Make sure your phone clock is accurate and synced to network time, because a time drift is the most common reason codes get rejected. Now finish by typing the current code from your authenticator into the website's verification field. This confirms the link. Once verified, immediately save the recovery codes somewhere secure. A password manager or physically stored printout works well. If your authenticator supports encrypted cloud backup or multi-device sync, enable it so you can recover codes if you lose the phone. If anything goes wrong, use a saved recovery code.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.